Hello guys, and welcome in today's episode of the apartment renovation. Further works were done to add adhesive or material to the walls in order for them to be as, let's say, straight as possible considering the situation. To have all the mosaic looking really neat. The toilet drain has been installed. Here also concrete has been mixed and poured. And you can see that boulder there holds in place the drain because the cement, the concrete here was pushing it up, so it needs to stay like that. I can say that this worker loves the foam, so in that place, and also more foam was added to the shower piece, and also the drain from the shower has been fixed, just as I asked him to, at about 11 centimeters from the wall. It's really perfect if you consider it like this, so I will not touch it in any way when I will take a shower. And then there is plenty room for placing there the mosaic tiles that I already purchased. I will show you. Regarding this foam, here I am, I know. He assured me that he will cut it after it all hardens, and then he will use mortar or concrete, and he assured me that it will not move an inch, a millimeter, not an inch. If it moves an inch, it's bad. Also, there up a adjustment was needed to have the shower head perfectly aligned. So that will also, after that turn to the left, it will be added another corner of a pipe towards us, like I'm recording right now, and that way it will be perfectly straight. These marks make me remember my grandfather. He used to mark everything. No need for laser level or any other thing. But yeah, it's starting to take shape, to look better and better. It's really a lot better. On this side you can see they used foam as well, but they covered it up in this way, and hopefully it will be okay. Here where the radiator will be as well, and now it needs to dry out. But yeah, it will take a while. I like the fact that at least they use insulation for all the copper pipes in the walls, so no matter where they are, everything is insulated. So this is about it in the bathroom for today. With this drain I will have issues because I have to wait for the piece, the same color. It's a mirror gold finish, or a shiny gold, a light gold. But I ordered it from AliExpress, and until it reaches Romania, I think with standard shipping it will take 5 weeks. It's my bad in this case, because I didn't knew how to prepare and to gather everything up. Right here I asked the plumber to remove that piece that was bent in the worst case possible, so there, and to add another one. I see that he bent this one also, but let's say in a lighter way. It's not that big, it's still better. Yeah, we have an artist here. He didn't want to use two pipes, 2 corners. I mean, I'm pretty sure on 15 millimeters you also have this kind of lighter cornering. I mean, it's really simple. Yeah, he didn't have it on hand or something like this. Yeah, so he could have easily made that light turn. But yeah, it's still better. I appreciate that he took into consideration my request. Yeah, that one was really bad. Holy cow. And oh, here we go. So I think these were made today also. So more pipes for the sink in the kitchen. It will be really cool, because you can imagine this will be all hidden, so nothing from this will be seen. Only, let's say, on this part, this added copper pipe, but it's really no problem regarding this. It looks okay. And in the bathroom, all that maze of pipes disappeared, so you can see how clean everything looks, even in this stage, in this raw stage. So just these pipes coming from the wall. So yeah, let me show you what I've purchased to replace those tiles that I wanted to install in the first place. So this will be basically a stone mosaic for basically everything, the bathroom and the lobby. I will have to return to take back the tile that didn't have the color that I wanted. It was also 60 by 60, so not so easy, or actually really tough to work in my bathroom, where the drain for both the entire bathroom and for the shower, gotta have those angles in order for the water to flow. You can imagine this will be really easy to do. With something like this, you can basically model it to take that shape, but of course it's more expensive. The first tile, the 60 by 60, was 108 lei per square meter, so something about around 22 US dollars, 22, 24 US dollars. And this one is a bit pricier, but not by much, but still it was 139 lei per square meter, or 30 US dollars, something like that, maybe just a bit more, 30 to 33 tops. And I also purchased, I really like it. It is made in Turkey. I really hope it won't have the build quality of the components on my Renault Clio 3. And it is 1 centimeter in thickness, and I think it's with 2 millimeters thicker than the first tiles, the large tiles. I would have had a regret if I would have kept those tiles, because the color in reality didn't match the color on their website. So I thought it was beige, and they brought some shade of gray with, let's say, a touch of a warm color, but very, very dull. It was some sort of a white. So this just popped into my site, even when I saw it on their website, on Heubach. But I was afraid of these orifices. I was like, man, so much dirt will get in there. But actually it will not be any problem. All this, you see, it has this antique, this, I really like this look. They will all be covered with, let's say, with the special plaster that I purchased for all these spaces between the mosaic. So it's really a lot better, but you can imagine I had to purchase the adhesive for this mosaic and for the walls. In a total, these 5 boxes of tile mosaic and everything that I bought today was 240 kilograms. I was worried that the springs on my car will pop out, or the tires will blow up, because everything, I had to put everything in the trunk. So this is what I've purchased, Ceresit CM or CM25 white. This is the super flexible adhesive for everything. For you can put it on the outside. It's so freezing resisting. It's basically one of the most expensive, if not the most expensive. And because it's white, it's even more expensive than the gray version. So I took 125 kilograms, 5 bags of this stuff, and I don't have the other material, but it looks like this. This is just a a bucket that they use, the workers used for their work. I took white for so not terra, what it looks there, white for the seashells mosaic, and a natural, really pleasant beige, and it is a light color of beige that matches really perfectly those tiles that the mosaic tiles that I've showed you. So it will look really like I want it to be. Now let's go to the basement, to the cellar, and see what they have done there also. So the pipe was fitted to the old one right there. And that's the old one that will be covered. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you all the best, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Bye bye.